Hello Crafty familia, welcome back to another video. This is Sheila coming to you with this video process of how I did my first junk journal. I hope you like it. I tried to give it my own twist, so I decided to make this junk journal into a little suitcase. That means that the actual junk journal will be inside this cover. After trimming some pieces of papers and folding them in half, I just gathered together different papers with different textures and patterns. I follow one of the tutorials from Gloria from Notas Glamour y Scrapbook. I'll leave the link below to her channel that inspired me to begin this process. I choose a couple of papers from this pile of scrap paper I have, so I don't really match anything. I just grab whatever I liked and put it together. As I mentioned before, I wanted this junk journal to fit inside this small suitcase or cover because I like that idea. So what I'm doing right here is just to fit the belt around it. I also folded the belt area with 1/4 of an inch in the middle just to give it consistency with the bottom of the cover, so all the pieces or embellishments will fit nicely. let the decoration begin. To embellish these pages, I decided to distress some of them, add some embellishments, and use some chalk. Here's the final product, all finished. Just ignore my hands movements since I was talking throughout the video when I was recording, because I wanted to talk to you about each individual page, but I decided the video was already too long. So right now, just don't try to make sense of what I'm trying to say with my hands. That's why I'm accelerating the video on this part, but you can still see the pages through. This is actually my favorite part of the whole journal. It's in the middle of it, and I added those paper clips that I created with Cricut and also those stickers. You can find them on my Etsy store if you're interested. thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really like it as much as I did making it, especially for you. Have a blessed one and see you next time.